I hope yung mga bata na nakikita nila yung fulfillment, yung enjoy, and of course, the hard work that pays off. Alam nyo, at 7 years old, I was already acting. So now I'm turning 64. So in a span of 56 years, my body of work is nasa acting. Half of my life, or a lifetime na, nasa acting. And every year, tuloy-tuloy yun, hanggang ngayon. Ang nagustuhan ko lang, I still enjoy it. I still have fun doing it. This is my career na I chose. So, dapat enjoy mo. Hindi ito trabaho. It's part of my life already. Na nasa gitna kami ng gabi na nagtatrabaho ka, na pagod ka, I still sit down and say, thank you, Lord. I'm here at the best office. Wala ako sa opisina sa Makati, pero nandito ako in my office. So I hope yung mga bata na nakikita nila yung fulfillment, yung enjoy, and of course, the hard work that pays off. And yun yung mga gusto ko love your job. According kay Tito Pixilayan, nagtrabaho kami sa Karnal, which is 1984. Lagi niya ako tinatawag, you know, Iho, you should love your job, and your job will love you back. So, natandaan ko tinatandaan ko lagi yun, na hanggang ngayon, I'm not doing what I'm doing, and I don't think I will retire from this, pero maliban na lang kung, you know, physically you cannot do it anymore, but I hope it translates to the young generation na mahalin yung trabaho nyo, trabaho nyo, mahalin kayo ng trabaho nyo.